Water. Life. 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 oxygen atom. It seems so simple and so perfect. It's because of water that Earth is also known as the blue planet. We've been searching in vain throughout the universe for signs of water. We think we know it so well here on Earth. Aren't our bodies made up of 80% water? Even the soft body of a jellyfish contains just 10% more water than that of a human being. Water is everywhere. So necessary, so important, yet so hard to predict. In heavy rain, water can become dangerous. Like today, the sky, which normally promises us warmth and comfort, opens up and submerges us. This is when we see a flood, which are sometimes so sudden and difficult to control, are what have led us to try and anticipate changes by observing the clouds. Water, so unpredictable that mankind is still trying to tame it. We enjoy living near water, but sometimes forget how powerful and devastating floods can be. Like here at the foot of the mountains, where the torrents can rage and gush down into the towns and villages. To anticipate the risks of flooding, the water courses need to be adapted, and the buildings must be able to withstand the surges of water and sediment. In the canton of Vaud, Hydrique Ingénieurs has played a major part in outlining these risks, with the passionate support of Christian Gerber and his team. Our dams, our shared heritage, are operated with such expertise to take advantage of every single drop of water. Hydrique's water supply forecasts enable the volume of lost water to be reduced by the electricity equivalent of several large wind turbines each year. The largest dams in the Alps rely on our forecasters, led by Muriel and Michael, who day in, day out attempt to calculate the amount of energy to be used. The dams are so powerful, they influence and change the morphology of the watercourses. Sediment becomes trapped in the reservoirs and erosion attacks the rivers downstream. Our engineers are looking into methods of better understanding and evaluating these slow and complex processes that are hard to predict. Water needs to be protected. In our society, we need water for agriculture and industry, but also for everyday life, in toilets, cleaning and cooking. Our water footprint is currently very large, but is dispersed throughout the land. It is sometimes difficult to establish what action needs to be taken. Several urban areas, including Lausanne, Riviera, Morges and Geneva, have joined us in a commitment to protect water and gain a better understanding of our water infrastructure, which will soon be 100 years old. Our engineers are committed to preserving our precious landscapes while pursuing as many opportunities and projects as possible and continuing to push back the frontiers of knowledge. The Pebble was thus able to chart its path with a few twists and turns along the way, from the alpine torrents, passing via the gigantic dams, the natural and man-made watercourses, and the towns, through to the magnificent expanses of water. And it is this passion for complexity and the natural elements that has led us to where we are today.